Namaste and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm making one of Nepal's most loved winter delicacies, Yomari, a sweet Newari dumpling filled with chaku, sesame, and coconut. Soft, warm, and full of tradition. Let's get started. We'll start by making the filling. Take about 150 grams of jaggery, or chaku if you have it, 1/3 cup of sesame seed, and 1/4 cup coconut flakes. Lightly dry roast sesame seeds. You can use white, black, or brown sesame seeds as well. Now lightly roast a coconut flakes until fragrant. You can use anything you like for fillings. Take jaggery, or chaku if you have it. Add a little water and let it melt on medium heat. Once the jaggery melts and begins to thicken slightly, add the roasted sesame and coconut and give it a good stir. When it reaches your preferred consistency, turn off the heat and let it cool. It will become a little thicker once cooled. Now, for the outer layer, we'll need very fine rice flour. It must be much finer than what we use for sel roti. Take about 3 cups of rice flour. This makes around 8 to 10 yomaris. Heat some water and slowly mix it into the rice flour using a spatula. I've used slightly less than 2 cups of hot water for 3 cups of flour. Once it cools a little, knead it with your hands for about 8 to 10 minutes. The dough should feel soft, a little elastic, and easy to shape. Remember, since this is rice flour, it won't be stretchy as wheat flour. Set it aside for 15 minutes. Cover it to retain moisture. Now take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a smooth ball. Then shape it into an elongated cone with flat bottom. Use a little ghee or oil to make a hole in the center. Slowly widen the hole, keeping the edges thin, but not too thin at first, as the dough can break easily. With practice, you'll get the perfect shape. Now, fill it halfway or 3/4 with the chaku mixture. Not too much, or it may leak while closing or steaming. Gently close the top and pinch it to form a small tail shape. That's the traditional Yomari design. Oil the steamer surface and place Yomari gently in the steamer. You can also try different fillings. I've made some with Khuwa or reduced milks for my kids. You can be creative with the fillings and can use chocolates. So here is one with Khuwa and one with jaggery. I have different tails to separate them. Boil the water in a steamer. I have used my Momo steamer. Place them gently inside and steam for 12 to 15 minutes. Once steamed, take them out carefully. They're soft and delicate when hot, so let them cool for a few minutes before serving. And there you go, soft, warm yomaris ready to enjoy. Perfect for winter days, or anytime you want a taste of home. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cozy, home-style recipes straight from my kitchen to yours. Until next time, happy cooking, happy hearts.